welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Empress. How you doing? If you want to stick around, make sure you subscribe. Like, come on, just stick around. Like, just come on. But anyway, let's get right into the video. So today's video is like tips on how you can get monetized like faster, and I'm also going to give you guys like a little backstory about my monetizing story. I recently just got monetized like a month ago, like less than a month ago. It's May right now. I got monetized in April. I've been on YouTube for like 4 years. I had been monetized before, but I fell under the 4,000 hour watch hours. So I wasn't getting paid anymore from YouTube when they made that whole new thing, which I thought was some bullshit, because I feel like if I was already getting monetized before you made that rule, I should keep getting monetized even after you made that rule, because I met the 1,000 subscriber thing. But whatever. So anyway, I just recently got monetized again. When I first started YouTube, I don't remember what the rules were. I think anybody can get monetized. You just had to apply to be a partner. Yeah, I think it was like any rules. But anyway, go check out my first, I put it up here, my first YouTube paycheck video. I talk about that and whatever. So here are some tips I feel like that can help you guys to get monetized faster. First tip, stay consistent. Okay, you definitely have to stay consistent. I think that's like the #1 rule. I don't care if your content is like literally crap. Yeah, maybe not crap, but like if it's like because like I think couples channels are like crap, but that's just me. But anyway, so even if your content isn't really the best, but if you, long as you stay consistent, you will notice a change in your channel. Like I've noticed, like when I'm consistent, I consistently get subscribers, I consistently get views, I consistently get likes, I consistently get comments. If you were doing a video like every once a month and nobody already doesn't know you, you're not gonna get good views. And even like your favorite YouTubers, if you notice, like if someone fall off and they stop like not posting anymore, they get less views because people, they're not getting the notification that the person is posting, or they're kind of like over the person because they're like, you ghosted us for like 2 months. Like, girl, who want to see you now? So it's like you gotta stay consistent. I definitely would say like that is a big thing for not even just getting monetized, just getting bigger as a YouTuber. It's like, and I can take that own advice from my damn self because I don't stay consistent, and I'm trying to right now as during quarantine. Like, and like I said, I noticed in my channel when I do videos and I stay consistent of posting videos frequently, I get more subscribers, I get more views, and like I'm seeing that right now on my channel. So like I'm kind of on a good streak, so I'm continuing on that streak, you know. So next tip, thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important. I care more about thumbnails now. I've been trying in my last like couple thumbnails, I'll put them on the screen, to do a little more, to make them a little more interesting, zhuzh them up a little more. I used to just slap anything on a video and not care because I'm kind of lazy. But you definitely should care about your thumbnails. Your video could be complete shit, but if your thumbnail is fire, people are gonna click on it. Or your video could be fire, but if your thumbnail is complete shit, they're not gonna click on it. And that's just kind of how it is. Like thumbnails, you don't know, but you pick a video because of the thumbnail. Like you might pick it because of the title, but if there's the same title for 2 videos, and one of them just has a better thumbnail, or it's just visually more appealing to your eyes, you're going to pick that one. So that's kind of how thumbnails work out. You just want to play around with thumbnails. One thing I kind of like about thumbnails, which I'm trying to get into now, which you might see on my channel now because I'm posting more videos, is I want to have a consistent type of thumbnail on my channel. Like consistent font, consistent color, consistency of the fonts and the colors, and the way you make your thumbnail makes people recognize your videos. Like, oh, that's Empress's video, or oh, that's John's video, because you consistently have the same thing over and over and over and over again on your thumbnails. Not consistent, like always having like, the same thing, but same color, same kind of theme going on. That's what you want to do. So next tip, longer videos. You want to get those 4,000 hour watch hours. Tongue twister. You want to get all of that, right? Obviously. So you need to make longer videos. You making like little 3-minute, 4-minute, 5-minute videos ain't gonna get the job done. Sometimes, like, I have videos on my channel that are like 20 minutes long. I'm actually talking about something, and I don't want to say interesting because it might not be interesting to everybody, but I'm actually talking about something for 20 minutes, like, because I had that much stuff to talk about. But you know, you should try to make your videos a little longer because you want to like build up those watch hours, like build them up. I know with me, I'm struggling right now with getting retention rates. Like, I need people to watch this video. So if you're still watching this video, thanks, because you're still here. But anyway, I'm trying to get retention rates better on my videos, which could make your retention rate higher if you have longer videos, because now people have longer to watch, because now, you know, like, I'm not techie, so I can't really tell you guys like how that all works out. But I'm just telling you that you should make longer videos, because now you have more watch hours for people. Well, watch minutes really in the video, but you have more minutes that calculate to hours that helps get to that 4,000. When I tell you guys, it could be the other way around. I personally found it harder to get the 4,000 watch hours than the 1,000 subscribers, but I already had the 1,000 subscribers, so I was only battling to get the 4,000 watch hours. If you have a couple videos that honestly go viral, you probably could get the 4,000 watch hours in a sooner amount of time if your video goes viral. And it's really not hard to get a viral video. I have a few on my channel, so, but it's just like, the 1,000 subscribers is kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. Getting 1,000 subscribers is kind of hard. But I'm telling y'all, when I tell you, consistency and good thumbnails will get you there. I'm telling you, like, in good content too. But consistency and good thumbnails. Also, good headings for your videos. That's also another tip. Have good headings. But consistency, good thumbnails will get you guys there. Trust and believe. Because I'm still fighting myself, like, I haven't made like the $100 mark to get paid yet. So like, I'm still getting paid from YouTube, but I'm not getting paid from YouTube, if you get what I'm saying here, if you get what I'm putting down. Yeah. So I'm like, yeah, so I'm taking my own advice as I'm giving it to you guys, but really, like, I've seen it. I've literally seen it. Like, I've seen if I put more effort and time into a thumbnail, the video gets more views. If I put more effort and time into titles, and putting more effort and time into titles, like now, before I make a title to my video, I go on YouTube and I search different titles. Like, okay, what has the most views? What is this popping? Like, what's popping in this? And stuff like that. And also with the consistency, I notice a difference when I'm posting more videos, because now more people are coming to my channel. YouTube is promoting my video more. They see I'm active. Yeah, y'all. So those are just my tips. When I get my first YouTube check, I'll come back and talk to y'all about it, but it's probably gonna be $100. I don't know, $100, whatever. But $100 is good when you ain't got nothing. Okay. So yeah, you guys, that's the video. Stay consistent, make good thumbnails, have good titles. What was the other one? I don't know. But yeah, that's my phone. Probably my mom texting me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.